Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are breaking down with the Fidelity Cash Management Account, a popular option in 2025 for managing everyday money with investing flexibility. Is it right for you? Here's everything you need to know. The Fidelity Cash Management Account, or CMA, acts like a hybrid between a checking and saving account. You get no monthly fees, no minimum balance, and full FDIC insurance through program banks. It comes with a free ATM card, and ATM fees are reimbursed nationwide, a big plus for travelers. You can also easily move money between this account and your Fidelity brokerage, making it great for people who want to invest and manage cash in one place. But there are few downsides. The interest rate is lower than most high yield savings accounts. It does not offer the best budgeting features or fancy mobile tools that vintage apps like Sophie or Chime have. And while it supports direct deposit and bill pay, it is not meant for advanced banking. If you want a free flexible account to manage your money and easily connect your investments, Fidelity's cash management account is solid choice in 2025. It's safe, simple, and backed by a trusted name. But if you're looking for higher interest or mobile first features, other vintage options might suit you better. If this review helped, like the video, drop a comment with your experience, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest breakdowns. Thanks for watching.